by the way, I'll answer all questions and comments at the end of this. So if you post one, I'll answer it at the end. Those things, figure out what they are. And usually for most people, we are expert level at maybe 2 or 3 things, not 10, not 17, not 7, 2 or 3 things. Figure out what those 2 or 3 things are that really boost your energy up, that you're good at, you're productive at, and they produce a positive impact on your life. And you want to set up your situation such that you're doing those things most of the time. And then everything else that still needs to happen, again, it can be passed off to someone other than yourself, someone or something other than yourself. These days, you can even use technology in place of a human, or go find a human if you need to. And again, even if you don't feel like you have the resources, and this is one roadblock that I notice with a lot of people, as I talk to a lot of entrepreneurs every day. A lot of times people hear what I'm saying right now and they say, well, Dre, I get it. It makes sense, but I don't have the resources right now to hire a person, or I can't sign up for that software, or I can't do these things because I just don't have the resources to do it right now. Even if you don't, find out what it costs. Find out what it's going to cost you to hire an assistant. Find out what it will cost for you to get someone else to do that. Find out what it costs to sign up for that software that you already have told yourself you can't afford it. Find out exactly what the number is. So now you can implant in your mind, you can write it down and implant it into your subconscious. Okay, I need to get an extra $1,000 a month. All right, I need another $3,000 a month so I can hire this person. I need another $10,000 a year so I can sign up for the software. At least when you know what you're aiming for, you got a much better chance of reaching it. Can we all agree? When you know what you're going after, you got a much better chance of getting it than if you don't know and it's just some vague thing. Somebody says, well, I can't hire an assistant. Well, how much is an assistant? Or if you don't have the answer to that question, then you don't know that you can't hire, right? So first of all, let's find out what kind of assistant you want, how much you need them for, how many hours a week you need them for, how much they charge per hour, the person you need. Okay, this is the number that I need. Now at least you know where you're going. At least you know what the target is. Just like navigation in your car. If you don't put a direction, you don't put a destination in navigation, then it doesn't matter how far you drive and how hard you press on the gas pedal, you're still not going to get to where you want to go. So get clear on what are the things you should be doing, and get clear on the things you need to pass off, that you need to pass off to something or someone else. And those things that are draining your energy, get those off of your schedule as quickly as possible. Again, start with a plan, folks. You may not be able to execute it all, but at least start. Number 2, we're talking here why your energy is always drained, why you always feel tired.